Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing 12 incredible food options that have been shown to help prevent cancer. These powerful cancer-fighting foods are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your overall health. So, let's get started. First on the list is broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been found to have anti-cancer properties. So make sure to include broccoli in your meals to reap its cancer-fighting benefits. Next up, we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are all rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of cancer. Moving on to tomatoes. These vibrant red fruits are a great source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a lower risk of certain types of cancer, such as prostate and lung cancer. Don't forget about green tea. Packed with polyphenols, green tea has been associated with a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, and prostate cancer. Another food on our list is garlic. Not only does it add flavor to your dishes, but it also contains sulfur compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer effects. Next, we have turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound that has been widely studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. Moving on to leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are all packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help support a healthy immune system and lower the risk of certain types of cancer. Don't forget to include flax seeds in your diet. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which have been shown to reduce the risk of breast and prostate cancer. Next on our list is walnuts. These tasty nuts are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are also beneficial. They are packed with vitamin C and other compounds that can help fight off cancer-causing free radicals. Moving on to fermented foods. Sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt all contain beneficial probiotics that can help support a healthy gut and reduce the risk of colon cancer. Finally, we have whole grains. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help reduce the risk of various types of cancer. And that wraps up our list of 12 amazing foods for cancer prevention. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet can be a great step towards a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned for more health tips, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.